Hey everyone, check out the BAYZZ 10-pack glass food storage containers perfect for meal prepping with 35 Oz and 13 Oz sizes. These containers feature airtight snap-lock lids that keep your food fresh and prevent spills during transport. Made from durable borosilicate glass, they are safe for use in the freezer, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. The BPA-free lids ensure your meals stay healthy and free from harmful chemicals. Whether you're freezing leftovers or reheating meals, these containers make it easy and convenient. Just remember to remove the lids before heating or washing in the dishwasher. If you ever have any issues, the customer care team is ready to help within 24 hours. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.